Yeah.
Good job, dude. In the city of La Habra, we had a secondary blockage to a laundry line. And today we're going to be doing about a 30-foot pipe burst from point A here. We got a slab home, so we can't just change out the pipe underneath the house. We have to pull a new pipe through. And point B is going to be right all through here. Simple reroute the laundry line over to the main line. Unfortunately here, the main line was actually cracked throughout the entire drain line itself. Went ahead and suggested was to replace the whole main line. Makes it easier for the customer to get it done right now than later on in the future when the sewage is leaking underneath their foundation. So it's another long day here at Clean Out Plumbing and Rooters. If you guys have any drain issues, don't hesitate to call. Phone number 562-328-9448. Ask for Eric.